Did you know that the common belief that deer are colorblind is actually a myth? It's a falsehood that's been passed down generations, accepted as truth without question. Perhaps it originated from the deer's nocturnal nature, leading to the assumption that they must be colorblind to navigate the night. Or maybe it's just one of those things that sounded scientific enough to be true. But science has a different story to tell about the vision of these fascinating creatures. Contrary to popular belief, deer possess more than just black and white vision. Let's dive into the science behind their unique sight. A deer's eye is structured differently than that of a human. This difference lies primarily in the types of photoreceptor cells present. Humans have 3 types of color receptors, or cones, that allow us to see a broad spectrum of colors. Deer, on the other hand, have just 2 types of cones, a condition known as dichromatism. But what does this mean in layman's terms? Well, it means that deer can see 2 primary colors, blue and yellow. This dichromatic vision allows them to perceive these 2 colors and their combinations, but not the full spectrum that humans can. So while a beautiful red rose might look gray to a deer, a bright blue lake or a field of yellow corn will be as vivid to them as it is to us. This doesn't mean they're colorblind, though. In fact, their vision is perfectly suited to their environment and lifestyle. Their eyes are designed to pick up the slightest movement, making them excellent at detecting predators, and their heightened sensitivity to blue could help them navigate in twilight conditions. So the next time you look at a deer, remember they see the world a little differently than we do, but they are not living in a black and white world. So where did this myth come from? Likely it started because deer can't discern reds and greens, hues often linked to human activities and clothing. This inability was misinterpreted as total color blindness. Over time, this misunderstanding has been passed on, becoming a widely accepted notion. Yet, as we've discovered, deer do see some colors, just not the same spectrum as humans. Thus, the myth of the colorblind deer is just that, a myth. Today, we've debunked the myth that deer are colorblind. We've discovered that deer possess dichromatic vision, not a black and white worldview as the myth suggests. They see the world in hues of blue and yellow, with a blind spot for reds and greens. This misinterpretation of their vision likely gave birth to the colorblind deer myth. If you enjoyed busting this myth with us, do us a favor and like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more myth-busting videos. Together, we can uncover the truth behind common misconceptions.